Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm at a undisclosed location somewhere in the heart of St. Paul, Minnesota today on a business trip with my darling wife. What I have here is the March 2019 SHTF basic box. Gonna open it up, see what we've got inside. Open it up, and I'm gonna get the box off of this tiny little table. And I'll open her up and see what we've got. I don't think they actually use the term basic. I think it's called the primary box. That's the term I was looking for. So there's the card for this month. Again, March 2019. So let's see what we've got. First of all, we have my favorite part. We've got paper. That's my absolute favorite part. I just dropped something. Okay. First of all, it's supposed to be sorry, the box is a little jumbled about this morning. All right. First thing is, if I have this correct, paper out of here. Ghost Viper Tactical Waterproof Digital Watch. The retail value is $34.99. By the way, this is a primary box, as I said before. It's $19.99 a month. The March retail value is $67.95. First off, the Tactical Waterproof Digital Watch, Ghost Viper Tactical. Looks like it comes in a nice little tin. Get her unwrapped here. Alright, so that's not a bad looking watch. It really isn't. I'm not going to go through the whole manual here. Features 13 digits, hours, minutes, seconds, month, day, and week. Daily alarm, chime, hour, and snooze function. 12 24-hour format selectable. Auto calendar. 1/100th of a second chronograph with split functions. A countdown timer. Upper limit 24 hours. Dual time. EL backlight. So, yeah, this isn't a bad looking watch. I don't generally wear a watch anymore, but I might have to start. Yeah, that is not a bad watch. Again, retail price is $34.99, and that is the Tactical Waterproof digital watch from Ghost Viper Tactical. Next thing up is the 3-pack of tactical webbing clips from M48. Retail price $6.99. Can always put these to use. They will go in my camping gear. Now, I had some comments on some of my earlier boxes claiming that this is just all Chinese junk. I don't believe so. Yeah, it's not the top end, but you know, these aren't $100 set of clips either. You got to keep that in mind. I don't know if I would want to rely on some of the things that come in these boxes in a true life or death survival situation, but for camping, everyday use, I've got no problem with any of it. So, back to the tactical the 3-pack tactical webbing clips. These are pretty decent. The clips themselves are plastic. Yeah, they'll serve the purpose. Retail price again was $6.99. Next is a two-piece Wahoo Killer Knife Set. Again, retail price $6.99. And these are just loose packed. Yep. All right, let me get them unwrapped here. I know my angle's a little strange and all of that, but I'm in a hotel room. I had to make do with the space I had. So, all right. The two-piece Wahoo! Killer Knife Set. Trophy Master is the name on it. Comes in a nylon sheath. Let's see. Stainless steel, made in China. Has a little bit of an edge to it. You know, to throw in a box for whatever use camping, something like that. Not a life or death situation. Considering these are $7 knives, it does have a little bit of an edge. They're not razor sharp. Stainless steel. They're okay. You know, this isn't a $500 knife set. They're $7. I mean, you can't expect some super high-end piece at a $7 retail price point. So, no complaints there. Happy with it. Next up, a 2-pack of duct tape. $3.99. Trailblazer duct tape 2-pack. It doesn't say how many feet. No, it does not say how many feet. Nope. So, I will go ahead and open this up. This will go in my camping box. 2 rolls of just standard duct tape. It's black duct tape, so no complaints there. Guarantee you I'm not mad at any of this. I probably won't put that one to much use, but and the last thing, oh yeah, and retail price on that was $3.99. The last thing is a multi-tool knife, and this is their SHTF branded Handyman Multi-Tool, and they say the retail on this is $14.99. That might be a little high, but you know, hey, it is what it is. So what we've got here is we've got a clip. We've got, well, I got to get this off screen so that I can look. Okay, this opens. There is this is going to take me a moment to figure out. I apologize. Oh, I see. There we go. Small set of pliers. We have a bottle opener screwdriver. Looks like we have some small blades, which I can't see anything in this lighting. It's really poor. Wow, that's tight. Small saw blade. Come on out. Everything in here is really, really tight. Honestly, I'm having a hard time popping any of this open. Which, you know, is going to make things a little difficult in an emergency situation. Open up. Okay, we've got a knife blade here. It does lock open nice and firmly. Damn. And it does lock open, it appears. No, it doesn't lock open. My apologies. Well, I'm not going to sit here and fight with this thing today, but that's an alright little multi-tool, to be honest. It's a little stiff. It probably just needs a little breaking in. But yeah, it's their Handyman Multi-Tool SHTF Survival. They say the retail on it is $14.99. That may be a little high. I know I personally would not spend $15 on that particular thing. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm not mad at any of this. So, just a quick recap. We've got the March SHTF primary box. Costs $19.99 a month. The retail value on it, according to them, is $67.95. We've got the tactical waterproof digital watch, 3-pack of webbing clips, the 2-piece Wahoo killer knife set, a 2-pack of duct tape, and the multi-tool knife. So that's what we have. That's what came in the March primary box. Not mad about any of it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Have any comments on it? Yeah, speak your mind. I'm not going to get heartbroken or upset over it. I'm not mad at it, so you shouldn't be. Again, I'm not going to use any of this in a real survival situation, but it's all right for a novelty / camping equipment. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go out and enjoy this beautiful sunny day here in St. Paul, Minnesota. Y'all have a great day.